National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 1:15 a.m. At 12:29 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Koshkonong, or near Edgerton, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Elkhorn, Delavan, Milton, Edgerton, Clinton, Darien, Lake Koshkonong, Richmond, Tiffany, Nossaville, Allens Grove, Avalon, Shapir, Emerald Grove, Johnstown Center, Indianford, Delavan Lake and Lima Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI 40.